Good morning. So first I will discuss with this judgment. It's about a consumer forum, wherein advocate was uh, prosecuted for deficiency of service. Some misunderstanding between the hospital authority who engaged the advocate for filing complaint under section 138 negotiation. The AR 2024 Supreme Court 2659. AR 2024 Supreme Court 2659. Bar of Indian Lawyers through its President Jafir Singh Malik versus D.K. Gandhi PS National Institute of Communicable Disease and another. This is judgment. They have categorically held that the advocates are not coming as service provider. They are professionals. Therefore, Consumer Protection Act is not applicable and not maintainable. Go through the entirety of the judgment. But so far, other judgment is concerned, it is most vital judgment for those who are practicing in negligence cases, motor accident cases, other consumer forum case, doctor negligence. This is AR 2024 Supreme Court 2567. AR 2024 Supreme Court 2567. The Jyoti Devi versus Suket Hospital and others. For medical negligence, the complainant preferred before district forum, 5 lakhs awarded. Thereafter, state commission reduced it, and the national commission also reduced it. But Supreme Court has clearly held that the lower court order alone is sustainable. But my endeavor to draw the attention of this case was, this is called egg-skull rule, and thin skin rule. This rule was deeply discussed at various paragraphs. Judgment is very short one, probably 12 pages. But every pages they have discussed what is egg-skull rule or thin skin rule. That means they say, if suppose some injuries, some hospital attended and caused some negligence resulting some injury, physical injury, then the claimant would have approached other hospitals, and the defendant's claim was that because of other officer attendance, this injury would have been caused. But therefore, this egg-skin rule says, thin skull rule, thin skin rule says, if earlier you have committed a negligence and resulting some injury, if that was aggravated by the act of the victim, that is not sufficient to deny the. This is the Wyden rule. So many things have been discussed. I do not want to refer it. It is your duty to read best judgment. This is AR 2024 Supreme Court 2567. 2567. Jyoti Devi versus Suket Hospital and others, where doctors' negligence was considered and under Consumer Protection Act, and 5 lakhs compensation was awarded to the claimant. Take note of this judgment. Will be best judgment.